Let the moment settle. No effort. Nothing to change. Only a gentle softening. Now, let's do the first 4 steps of the alpha sequence. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, your mouth, your jaw. Just allow it to hang there. Slow down your breathing. That's right. Good. Now relax the back of your tongue. You're getting good at this step. Your breath moves in and out, and everything begins to slow. The thoughts, the edges, no need to name or push anything. And in this slowing down, stillness arrives. Not silence, but the fullness of presence. The kind of stillness that holds everything, that holds breath, that holds becoming, that holds what you are and what you are becoming. Stillness is the beginning of transformation, because it says, this is good, this is enough. This is what is. There's nothing wrong, nothing broken, nothing missing. And from that place of resting in what is, a quiet desire awakens. A desire to connect. Not to grasp, not to control, but to feel, to remember, to feel the roots reaching out, the light reaching in. This is connection, the bridge between self and world, the gentle touch of breath and wind and earth and memory, an invisible thread pulling awareness outward and inward at once, held in something greater, held in belonging. And as connection deepens, something begins to stir. A sense of scale, a sense of wonder. The ordinary becomes radiant. The moment becomes timeless. The mind opens wider than it ever has before. This is awe. Awe arrives when the boundaries dissolve, when the heart and mind recognize that they are part of something vast and yet deeply personal. When the system expands beyond its known limits and something new is felt, not imagined, but felt. Awe is the mind's favorite surprise, the nervous system's invitation to expand, to grow new branches, to light up a new path, to whisper to the body, this has never happened before, and it is safe to experience it now. Awe feeds the brain. It gives energy to learning. It gives space to joy. And it's the birthplace of transformation. Because once the mind expands, it never returns to what it was before. Not truly. And in that expansion, gratitude begins to rise. Not out of obligation, not from thought, but from thankfulness for the ability to witness, to feel, to exist in this moment as it is. Gratitude is love, aimed at the real, the now, the wonder of being. A thank you from the deepest part of the self to all that made this moment possible. And from that gratitude, joy begins to stir. A quiet, golden joy, not performance, not noise, but a resonant inner lightness, a returning to center, a lifting.